ABLOY Project 2 is the latest milestone in the development of the unique ABLOY rotating disc cylinder keying systems. Every key is carefully controlled and is only made at ABLOY's factory. The keys have a patented sliding element that increases key security. One key fits several locks. How many locks a single key opens and who has access to what can be accurately controlled. The unique and patented rotating disc technology provides smooth and reliable functionality also in extreme environments. New patented features in keys and cylinders have worldwide patents, which are valid until 2031.